Apple continues with the announcement of the second-generation AirPods, which will include a wireless charging case and a new H1 chip that, according to the company, offers a longer battery life and Hey Siri support to activate the virtual assistant without pressing a button. The new wireless charging case works with the standard key charge, so it should work with almost all available wireless chargers. Otherwise, both the second-generation AirPods and the casing appear virtually identical to the first model, except for a small LED light in the wireless charging box to indicate the battery life. Apple says that the H1 chip offers a number of benefits over the W1 chip in the latest generation. Specifically, there is up to an extra hour of talk time. Apple says it is a 50% increase. Connection times are twice as fast when switching between devices. And the mentioned compatibility with Hey Siri, which Apple already offers in newer iPhones, iPads, Macs and HomePod, which allows you to order things from Siri without having to do anything. Apple will sell the updated AirPods in two options, with the wireless charging case for $199 or with the standard case for the same price of $159 as the previous generation. The company will also sell the wireless charging case separately for existing AirPod owners for $79. That way, users can charge their headphones with a wireless charger without upgrading to the new model.